it's a wonderful thing to have a clear and exciting purpose for your life. And in the last year, a lot of people are having to rethink what the heck that means, because the world, she's changing. So one of the ways to help figure out how to have a clear and exciting purpose for your life is having a journal. And I, for one, really, really, really hate journaling. My best friend, Dr. O'Keefe, she loves to journal. It helps her tremendously. And I know that it's a good tool for a lot of people. For me, it's something that causes stress. For other people, they can't get through their day without writing things down in a journal. Gratitude journals are a wonderful tool. If you haven't tried it, you don't have to go purchase a journal. You can get some paper and write some things down. I'm grateful that I have a roof over my head, that I have feet, that I have, whatever it is you're grateful for in a day, it is something that can really help a lot of people calm that stress down and get it out. For those of us who don't like to journal, I have for a couple of decades now used something called EFT, or emotional freedom technique. Used to be hard to do, used to be hard to figure out how to do. There's actually an app for it now. And that little squiggly symbol on the slide there is the symbol when you go into the App Store, at least on the Apple App Store. And that's what the app looks like. It's called the Tapping Solution app. And this group of people uses a way to talk to your body. You actually say some phrases while you're tapping different acupressure points around the body, and the app shows you how to do that. And they did a study that showed that using the tapping solution for 15 minutes a day for a 2-week time period reduced cortisol levels 41%. So if you want one thing to do that can help to decrease your stress levels, this is another technique. So check it out. They've got some free stuff on their app. Don't go to the purchased stuff. Just try there's a tapping solution 15-minute thing for anxiety. Check that out and see if it's something that would work for you. It might or it might not. And then I have to mention that when you're hacking your headspace, meditation and prayer is huge. There are so many studies that show having a prayer life or having a meditation practice makes a massive difference in your sense of ease and your sense of ability to know that you can heal, that you can connect, that you have a way to get information downloaded from your brain to something outside of yourself. So we can talk about that more if you want. I'd be happy to go into it with you. Okay. And then finally, one of the cool things to hack your headspace is to make a not to-do list. So we make to-do lists all the time. Sometimes it's a really good idea to make a not to-do list. Number one thing on my not to-do list, and I had to learn this over about 5 years, is that I need to not tell my husband how to drive his car when he's in traffic. Because if I sit around and keep my eyes open when he's driving, I'm going to make him crazy and he will make me crazy too. So not to do, keep your eyes open when your husband's driving. Check. So for you, think about what would be on your not to do list.